Hi, my name is Hanna. My thesis research project was a collaboration between Illinois State University Department of Geology and the City of Bloomington, Illinois, to investigate the suspended sediment transport dynamics during base flow and storm flow conditions in the main tributaries of the two drinking water reservoirs in McLean County, Illinois. 6 Mile Creek is the main tributary in the Evergreen Lake watershed, and Money Creek is the main tributary in the Lake Bloomington watershed. A variety of field and lab techniques were used to determine the total suspended sediment load and nutrient loads for nitrate as nitrogen and chloride from July 2012 until March 2013. There were three main hypotheses. The first hypothesis was that base flow total suspended sediment would be higher in 6 Mile than on Money Creek, as prior study from Kinney 2005 and 2006 indicated that Evergreen Lake received twice the amount of suspended sediment than Lake Bloomington. The results of my study rejected this hypothesis. The second hypothesis was that Money Creek would have a higher discharge, as it has a drainage area that's twice the size of 6 Mile, and because of that larger discharge, there would be a higher total suspended sediment load seen during storm events on Money Creek. This hypothesis was rejected, as the total suspended sediment load seen on 6 Mile Creek was 2 magnitudes larger than on Money Creek, potentially because there were multiple storm events that were not collected on Money Creek due to instrumentation error that were collected on 6 Mile that had generated the majority of the total suspended sediment load. However, both streams had more than 92% of the total suspended sediment load generated during storm events. The last hypothesis was that Money Creek would have a higher nutrient concentration and load compared to 6 Mile, as Money Creek has a larger drainage area. Results indicated that Money Creek had a much lower nitrate and chloride load than 6 Mile, so the hypothesis was rejected, potentially because of those missing storm events or because 6 Mile had a higher percentage of developed and agricultural land use, explaining for the higher nitrate and chloride loads. Overall, 100% of the nutrient loading occurred during storm events. Thank you so much.